Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to attest documents from Rawalpindi board. They have shifted their whole process online and you can verify your documents. So just search Rawalpindi board attestation and click on e-services Bise Rawalpindi portal. So here you can see different verification for different departments are available. If you're planning to attach your document for IBCC, so click on verification for individuals. So here you can see a application form is available, so you can easily fill up your details and verify your documents from Rawalpindi board throughout this portal. So first you can enter your matric details, then intermediate details. So I just click on SSC 10th annual. So you can enter your roll number and the year where you have accomplished your matriculation, and click on get record. So it will automatically fetch your record. So you can enter candidate mobile number, candidate email, postal address, and the most important step is verification type, like attestation. So from where you want to attest your degree. So the fee would be 2500 if you want to attest inside from the Pakistan, like result card and certificate. So if you want to attest from abroad, the fee would be 5000 for certificate and 5000 for your result card. So in this way you can verify or for documents. So you can read instructions from here. It is clearly mentioned that 2500 for each document for inside the country, and if you want to attest both of matriculation, like certificate and result card, the fee would be 5000. So if you want to attest from IBCC, the fee would be 5000 for each and 10,000 for each one. So you can pay your fee using one bill invoice. So here I have just select 5000, like I want to attest my degree for IBCC. So once you will click on submit button, I just choose another option like inside the Pakistan. This is just a demo. So you can see the amount is 2500. So you can track your application over here. Tracking ID is mentioned over here. So PSID is also mentioned over here. So you can submit your fee using PSID and track your application using tracking ID. So in this way you can submit your fee like using one bill, EasyPaisa or Jazz Cash using PSID. In instruction this is mentioned clearly. So let's move toward how we can submit intermediate. So you can follow a same process again, like choose SSC 12th annual, click on get record. You can easily fill out very details, like you can choose verification for abroad, like certificate. If you're planning to move abroad, you need to verify your matriculation certificate and intermediate certificate. This is the embassy requirement. So here PSID and tracking ID is generated for this intermediate form as well. So you can easily check details over here. So if you want to submit your fee uh, and you want to download your documents, so click on the EasyPaisa app, click on bill payments. Here you can choose all bills and click on other option. So once you will select an other option, you can just select a one bill invoice voucher. So you can easily submit your fee while sitting at home. You don't need to visit physically. So all you need to do, just simple enter your PSID over here. First you can enter PSID of your matriculation. Then you can submit fee of if you want to attach certificate or result card, but the most requirement is like you can verify your certificate. So you can enter PSID and submit your fee for both. I will show you a complete process. So once you will enter a PSID, you can just click on the next option and you can easily done with your fee. So this is a process of how you can submit your fee using EasyPaisa. So here you can see it will automatically detect my details, like I have to submit a 5000 for my intermediate because I just want to test my certificate of intermediate. So after this, once you will done with the fee, like they have give you a form, like your bill is paid for your attestation. So you don't need to upload anywhere, it will automatically detect your details. So go back to your application and click on track your application. Here you can enter tracking ID of Matric or Intermediate, so the download option is available. It will available after once you will done with the fee. So once you will click on the download option, once you will done with the fee for intermediate or matriculation, you can easily download your documents within within 12 hours easily. They will send you the attested form of documents. Like if I will click on the download option, so here you can see I can easily download documents over here. So this option is available when you will done with the fee. So before fee you cannot see this option. So here you can see I can my documents for Matric is verified. So I'm going to enter tracking ID of my intermediate. So you can see I can the verify versions of my document is also available for intermediate as well. So in this way you can download documents for verification. So I hope so you enjoy this video. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe my channel for more videos.